Hey guys, and welcome back. So in today's video, I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing this brand new Verizon Wi-Fi extender. This help extends its signal to areas that are hard to reach. Alright, so if you are a Verizon 5G home internet subscriber, this is something you might want to look into getting. This is the Verizon Wi-Fi extender, so it receives the Wi-Fi signal from your router, which extends the Wi-Fi coverage. This one does come equipped with the Wi-Fi 6 6E, capable of 2.4 GHz, 5 GHz, 6 GHz. It's switchable configurations from 5 to 6 GHz for flexible Wi-Fi. It includes high-speed internet of 2.5 gigabytes LAN and MoCA 2.5. It is compatible with the Verizon router and Fios router. This is super easy to install. It is plug and play. You do have the instructions on the bottom. Right here is the start guide. So on the bottom, it basically just gives you your access point and your password. So you will just go onto their website and you would connect using your passcode and your username. So in here you do get the power cord as well as an Ethernet cable, so it is ready to go right out the box. This product is compatible with the Verizon router model CR1000AB, and it is the Fios router model G3100. So this is basically just an extender. It helps you get services into area that is hard to reach. Like on one side of my house, it's harder to get some signal on that side. So I did get this Wi-Fi extender, and with me adding this Wi-Fi extender, it is a lot better now. I am getting 6 gigahertz on my internet. So this is a super nice Wi-Fi extender. It does extend, so this one here is great because not only does it have 5G, but it also offers 6G, 6GE. You have 2 LAN ports, you have a cable port, you also have the DC, and then you have a WAPS port. On the bottom of this, you can either set it on a table or you can actually use a stand with this one. It does have a screw-in stand, so you can also remove this if you want. It has enough holes at the bottom to get enough ventilation, so you don't have to worry about it overheating. All the information is on the back of this Wi-Fi extender, so when you want to connect it, you just go into the port on the bottom. Actually, what you want to do is you want to use the settings on the back of your router. It has a passcode as well as your username, so you just confirm your internet before you set up the extender. Make sure the router and gateway you use are connected to the internet. Plug it in, you connect it, you pair it. So by pressing and holding the pair button on the bottom of it, it should pair to your router. You move it. So this one here has to be moved away from the router, but when you first pair it, it has to be right next to the router. So once you see you have a flashing orange light, that basically is letting you know that it is paired. So once you move it away from the router, it should be a solid white light. That's letting you know that it is connected. So this one here is giving me 6G and 6GE, which is the most fastest Wi-Fi setting at the moment. I do have coverage on the other side of my house. Without this, I was actually only getting 2 bars. Now I do have a maximum bars. So this one is a really nice Wi-Fi extender. It does boost up your signal. If you're definitely looking for an extender, and if you are a Verizon 5G home internet subscriber, I would highly recommend asking them to send you one of these. These are the best thing. They do give you better signal. So I would definitely recommend this Wi-Fi extender from the Verizon network if you are a Verizon 5G home subscriber.